Hello, in this video we're going to be writing ratios in the form 1 to n or n to 1. So the objective here is to write ratios in the form 1 to n or n to 1 by dividing both parts correctly. So the key idea, a ratio must always stay balanced. Whatever you do to one part, you must always do to another part. So if we want to get 1 to n, we need to divide both parts by the first number, and if we want to get n to 1, we need to divide both parts by the second number. So we are allowed to use decimals in ratios. So here's a question. We have write 4 to 10 in the ratio 1 to n. So we have the ratio 4 to 10 and we need to force this number here to be a 1. So to get from 4 to 1, we divide by 4. So I need to do the same for 10. So 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. So the answer to this one is 1 to 2.5. Here's another example. We need to write 6 to 3 in the form n to 1. So we have 6 to 3 and we need to force this part to be a 1. So in order to get that to be a 1, we need to divide by 3. So I need to divide this part by 3 as well, and we end up with 2 to 1. So the answer to this question is 2 to 1. Here's another example. It says the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 12 to 8. We need to write this ratio in the form n to 1. So we have 12 to 8 and we need to force this part to be a 1. So in order to get that, we need to divide that by 8. So 12 divided by 8 is going to give us 1.5. So the answer to this question is 1.5 to 1. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!